Welcome to Stoic Blessing, the channel where timeless wisdom and the art of psychological mastery come together to forge unstoppable men. Today, I'm revealing something truly powerful. 7 acts that make women fall madly in love with you. And when I say madly, I'm talking about an obsession so deep, she'll be chasing you. But here's the thing. This isn't for the faint-hearted. This isn't about cheap tricks or playing mindless games. What I'm about to share is rooted in the ancient discipline of Stoicism and the sharp edge of dark psychology. These principles are for men who want more than superficial flings. They're for men who want to command attention, respect, and devotion without ever losing their own sense of self. Let me ask you something. Are you tired of being the one chasing? Are you done bending over backward, trying to win approval that leaves you feeling empty? Then listen closely, because by the end of this video, you won't just know how to make her want you. You'll know how to make her need you, emotionally, mentally, and even spiritually. It's time to flip the script. The rules are about to change, in your favor. So if you're ready to claim your power, drop this phrase in the comments right now. I am the prize. Because that's exactly what you are. And trust me, after this, she'll see it too. Let's begin. Number 1. The power of push and pull. Let's start with a concept that's as old as human attraction itself. The power of push and pull. This is the delicate balance of giving her just enough attention to spark her interest, only to pull back and leave her craving more. This emotional tension is the lifeblood of attraction. Think about it. When you give someone everything they want on a silver platter, they'll take it for granted. But when you're just out of reach, you become irresistible. The chase is hardwired into human psychology, and when you master this balance, you control the game. Here's how you apply it. When you're with her, make her feel like she's the only person in the world. Give her undivided attention. Listen deeply and let your presence consume the moment. But don't overstay your welcome. Step back, retreat, and give her the gift of longing. Let her wonder why you're suddenly quiet. That absence creates desire. Why does this work? Because people value what is scarce. When your attention is a privilege, not a given, you instantly become more desirable. You're no longer the one chasing. She's chasing the feeling only you can provide. If you're ready to master this art, drop this phrase in the comments. I create desire. And trust me, you're just getting started. Let's move to the next act. Number 2. Master emotional detachment. Now let's talk about one of the most magnetic traits a man can have. Emotional detachment. Here's the truth. Women are deeply attracted to men who are calm, composed, and unshaken by life's chaos. Emotional detachment doesn't mean you don't care. It means you care deeply about the right things and refuse to waste energy on what you can't control. This is the foundation of Stoic strength. When she sees that her mood, her tests, or even her attempts to provoke you can't rattle your calm, she'll be drawn to you like a moth to a flame. Why? Because you're showing her that your world doesn't revolve around her or anyone else. You are grounded in yourself. Here's how to master this. Stop chasing validation. Don't look to her or anyone else to tell you your worth. Practice responding, not reacting. When she tries to push your buttons, smile, stay calm, and maintain your control. You're not cold, you're unshakable. And that unshakable energy is magnetic. When you embody emotional detachment, you send one powerful message. I don't need you, but I choose you. And that's intoxicating. If this resonates with you, type this phrase in the comments. I control my emotions. Now let's move on to the next act. Number 3. Be a puzzle she can't solve. Now, let's unlock one of the most powerful forces of attraction. Be a puzzle she can't solve. Here's the secret. Mystery is irresistible. When you're too easy to read, too predictable, or too available, the allure fades. Women are drawn to men who keep them guessing, men who make them wonder, what's he thinking? What's he going to do next? Being a puzzle doesn't mean playing games or being deceitful. It means embracing the depth of your personality and letting her discover it in layers. Reveal enough to spark her curiosity, but not so much that she feels there's nothing left to uncover. Share your stories selectively. When she asks about your goals or your past, give thoughtful answers, but always leave a little room for her imagination to fill in the gaps. And then there's unpredictability. Change your routine. Switch up how and when you interact with her. Don't always reply instantly, and don't always be available. When you break her expectations, she'll find herself drawn deeper into your world, craving the stability of your presence while being fascinated by your unpredictability. Here's a truth rooted in psychology. People chase what they can't fully grasp. When she can't figure you out, she'll invest more time, energy, and emotion trying to get closer to you. And that's exactly where you want her. If you're ready to master this, comment this phrase below: I embrace mystery. Let's keep the momentum going. The next act will make your presence even more magnetic. Number 4. Subtle validation with scarcity. Now let's dive into one of the most overlooked yet powerful acts of attraction: subtle validation with scarcity. Here's the deal. Constant validation is a one-way ticket to losing her interest. When you shower her with compliments, always agree with her, or try too hard to please, you're sending a clear message. You're too available, and she's already won you over. This kills the chase. But when you validate her subtly, and only occasionally, you flip the script. Your approval becomes rare, and therefore valuable. Compliment her, but only when she's truly earned it. Acknowledge her efforts, but don't overdo it. By making her feel seen and appreciated in a measured way, you spark her desire to seek more of your approval. Think of it like this. A glass of water is just a glass of water, unless you're in a desert. When your validation is scarce, it becomes as refreshing as that life-saving drink. And the psychological principle at play here? Humans value what they must work for. Here's how you master this act. When she seeks your attention or approval, give just enough to show that you notice her, but leave her wanting more. A simple, "That's impressive," or "I like the way you did that," is far more powerful than showering her with praise. It creates an emotional vacuum she'll want to fill by proving herself to you. If you're ready to make your validation meaningful, type this phrase in the comments: I make her earn it. Now, let's take things to the next level with Act 5. Number 5. Develop a magnetic purpose. Let's move to one of the most important acts that separates ordinary men from the truly irresistible. Develop a magnetic purpose. Here's a fact. Nothing is more attractive than a man who knows where he's going in life. A man who is so focused on his goals, his dreams, and his mission that everything else, including her, becomes secondary. Women aren't drawn to men who orbit around them. They're drawn to men who stand tall, rooted in their purpose, with a fire in their eyes that nothing can extinguish. Why does this work? Because purpose equals power. When you have a clear direction, you exude confidence and ambition. You're not easily distracted or swayed, and that makes you a rare find in a world full of men who prioritize fleeting desires over long-term vision. Here's the Stoic principle at play. Focus on what you can control and dedicate yourself to it with unwavering discipline. Your purpose should be your compass. When she sees that you're passionately pursuing something greater than yourself, she'll feel compelled to be part of your journey. She won't want to compete with your purpose. She'll want to align with it. Here's the challenge. Take inventory of your life. Are you living for something bigger than yourself? If not, it's time to start. Not just for her, but for you. When you live with purpose, you stop chasing. People, opportunities, and women start chasing you. If you're ready to embody this, comment this phrase below: I lead with purpose. And get ready, because the next act will elevate your presence even further. Number 6. Exude calm dominance. Now let's talk about a trait that instantly commands respect and admiration: calm dominance. What does this mean? It's the ability to project strength and control without ever raising your voice, flexing your ego, or overcompensating. It's the quiet power of a man who owns himself, his emotions, and his environment. This is the essence of Stoic mastery, being the calm eye in the storm, the unshakable presence others gravitate toward. Here's why this is so magnetic. Women, and people in general, are drawn to stability. When you're calm and in control, you radiate safety, strength, and confidence. It shows that you're a man who doesn't crumble under pressure, a man who can lead when chaos erupts. How do you embody this? First, master self-control. When she tries to test you, and she will, respond with poise, not panic. Whether it's a heated argument or a playful tease, keep your tone steady, your words deliberate, and your emotions in check. Second, control your environment. Make decisions confidently, assert your boundaries, and take responsibility for the energy you bring into every interaction. When you exude calm dominance, you send a clear message: I am in control of myself and, by extension, of this situation. This not only builds her trust, but also ignites her admiration. She knows she's dealing with a man who can handle anything. If you're ready to embody calm dominance, drop this phrase in the comments: I own my presence. Now, get ready for the final act, the one that will ensure she's hooked for the long haul. Number 7. Let her chase the vision. Finally, let's bring it all together with the ultimate act of attraction. Let her chase the vision. Here's the reality. Women are not just attracted to a man, they're attracted to what he represents. When you embody strength, purpose, and mystery, you're not just offering her your presence, you're offering her a chance to be part of something greater. But here's the catch: you can't give it all away. When you show her glimpses of the life you're building, your goals, your values, and your ambition, she'll naturally want to be part of it. But the key is to always leave just enough out of reach. Never make her feel like she's fully won you. Keep an element of exclusivity and mystery, even as you grow closer. Think about it. The most powerful men in history didn't chase. They inspired others to chase them by staying focused on their vision and maintaining their sense of self. You're not bending your vision for anyone. Instead, she's drawn to align with your mission. This is where the final Stoic principle comes in. Always prioritize your values and long-term goals over fleeting emotions. When you live with this kind of discipline, you naturally attract women who respect and admire you for who you are and what you stand for. Here's how you do it. Share your journey with her, but not all at once. Let her see your progress, but keep parts of your story untold. And most importantly, stay consistent in your actions. She's not chasing your words, she's chasing the man who lives by them. If you're ready to let her chase the vision, type this phrase in the comments: I inspire the chase. And there you have it. 7 acts that make women fall madly in love with you. If you're serious about stepping into your power, rewatch this video, take notes, and start applying these principles today. Before you go, here's your final challenge. Drop this phrase in the comments: I am the vision. Let that be your declaration to the world and a reminder to yourself that you're not just a man, you're a mission, a purpose, and a force to be reckoned with. And don't forget to like this video if you found it valuable, subscribe to Stoic Blessing, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson on becoming the best version of yourself. Remember, gentlemen, you're not just the prize, you're the vision. Now go out there and own it.